In this video, you'll learn how to use Stan Store effectively as a beginner. This guide will walk you through the process of creating an account, adding products, and sharing your store link on social media. Start by navigating to the Stan Store website using your preferred web browser. Once the page loads, look for the option to create a new account. This is typically labeled as sign up or create account. Click on this button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Make sure to choose a strong password that you can remember. After filling in your details, click the button labeled sign up or create account to finalize the registration process. If prompted, verify your email address through the confirmation email sent to you. Once you've created your account and logged in, look for a section labeled My Store on the main dashboard. Click on this option to access your store settings. Here, you will see various tools and options for managing your store. To add a new product, find and click the button labeled Plus Add Product. This action will take you to a page where you can create your product. You will need to enter details about the product you wish to sell, such as an ebook, template, guide, or course. Fill in the necessary fields to provide a clear description of your product. After entering the product details, you will need to set a price for your item. Ensure that the price is competitive and reflects the value of your product. Once you have set the price, look for the option to publish your product. Clicking this will make your product available for purchase in your store. With your product successfully published, it is time to share your store link on social media. Look for the store link usually found in your store settings or dashboard. Copy this link and share it on your preferred social media platforms to increase visibility and attract potential buyers. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.